Now watch, look how Britt's heel is now where she started since Sam told her.
Good job.
That's where we want you to start, okay?
If your left
This is
your left foot's back, your right
Look at
foot's
your
forward.
heel. See
Move
your
my
heel?
head.
Sorry, Rick.
Make sure your heel's up. Front leg locked out, okay? Everybody get your heel up.
Mel, come by the two lefties. Or actually, you go over there. You go two lefties together. Just so then I can watch you and I know you guys are in the same area. Okay?
I got the bad move.
Alright. So what we're going to do is you're just going to hold your bat out. Where should your eyes be when you do this drill? At my feet or out in front? Okay, should my front leg be bent or locked out? Whenever you do this drill, your front leg's bent, your back knee's hinged, I call it hinged or bent, and your heel's up or down? Up, okay? All we're going to do together is hinge our knee and sit back. Don't bend at your waist and make a C.
Hold your bats up.
Bend at your knee, okay?
Your bats up high.
Good. Go back up to start. Hinge your knee and sit back. When you hinge and sit back, though, keep this heel. But still bend your knee. Not at your back. Just sit, yeah, right there. Good. Go up, go back down. Hinge your knee. Good. But knock it out. Got it? Okay? Good.
Stella.
You adjusted that. Do you see that? Because you had it. When you swing and hinge, I saw you on your swing, your legs were good. Your heel was up. When you practice this drill, keep your heel up. Got it?